crap, we made it. Pops is hurting. Made it to King of the Kastle, the 150 in the spring here. Racing Pro Mod Turbo. Got Tucker as my co-dog, and yeah, real excited about this race. It's gonna suck, but yeah, that was about a 9-hour drive, I think, something like that. Anyway, it's gonna be a similar race to the videos I've done before for the 37 of you that have seen those videos, but yeah, like I said, Pro Mod Turbo, 4 people in our class. Getting there, today's Thursday, Friday pre-run, work on the car, I got a bunch of stuff to do to it, and race on Saturday, so let's do it.
All right, should I do it?
Tucker, where are we?
I don't know, but I've had too many of these, and I'm gonna have another one.
And it's your birthday, baby.
It's my birthday, baby. Fuck yeah, brother.
27 or 28?
Yeah.
27.
That's what I thought.
No, I don't want to do it.
Hell yeah, brother.
It'd make her mad. In the morning.
Woo! Good morning. Tech day and pre-run lap. So I got some stuff to do on the car. Tucker's moving it around. And yeah, partied a little hard last night. It's a rough morning. Tech day update. Car's all prepped. It's about as good as it's gonna get, except cracked exhaust hanger right there. So Tucker setting up the welder to get us all fixed up. And I don't know if I mentioned this in the last video, but new jack. So copy of an AGM. It works, kinda, but yeah, she's all good to go.
Fucker. That light's welding.
Tech time. Waiting in line. Tucker, we ready?
Hell yeah, brother.
Hopefully we pass.
And then you got
Maybe to pick it up before you tech pass. We good?
appreciate you, man. Happy birthday, man.
Okay, so like I said, that's tech passed. Next up is the, pre-run lap. Pretty simple. We've ran this course before. It's like 26 miles, I think. Lots of rocks, lots of dust. It's really rough and this place sucks, but I love it. So anyway, that's what's up next. Buffalo Dave, what do you have to say for yourself?
I don't know.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Drive fast and take risks.
Jesus. Okay, GoPro is not working, but pre-run lap. Tucker's peeing. Tucker, sit rep.
What?
Sit rep. How's it going?
Good. Good.
It's really freaking rocky out here. Real rocky.
Real rocky. Yeah, that's for sure.
All right, so pre-run day complete. It's a super rough course and super dusty, 27 miles, and yeah, it's gonna be a rough day tomorrow. But as for right now, hoping these hold together. Gotta bleed some brakes. Pyrotech people are hooking up their fuel tower. But yeah, so gonna bleed the brakes now and check some last minute things, and she's good to go. All right, race day. Let's go do this thing. Gonna be a long one. Race day. Tuck, we good?
Hell yeah, brother.
Let's go see if we can smash our ducky into, there it is, into that ducky.
guys won.
We did. Everyone was DNF. Seriously. That's why we were going freaking 4 miles an hour the whole last lap.
We won by default. And we won.
You guys fucking picked up another 10 minutes on the last lap. You were going slower.
Really?
Than your time, yeah.
Dude, we were going like 20 miles an hour on it.
Yeah, we were just barely cutting.
Oh.
Just bringing it home.
I need water, not that.
I'll take one of those.
I'll take that.
Why not two? He's got two of them.
Yeah, I got 2 vans.
Yeah, he probably won.
What the hell happened to you guys, Lucas?
Oh, shit.
Oh, you know.
Race on.
We went all the way over.
Yeah, we did.
I'll just set it right here.
His whole front end is fucked.
I know, we saw him and Lucas was
No,
out.
no. I'll take you over there and you can look at the car.
Oh god,
yourself.
it's the whole front end clip is snapped
We
off.
ran over your window net.
And the
Oh
fucking
yeah, we
fender.
lost that.
And I think rear number plate or something.
Yeah,
like
rear
that.
fender and number plate.
Probably.
It's out there.
We lost it.
The window net was like 20 miles later.
Yeah, the door flew open.
We lost it like well after the second round.
Yeah, it flew open last night when we were on the parade lap. And then it just flew open again, like literally on lap.
All right, Tuck. P1.
P1, motherfucker.
Are you double fisting a Modelo and a fun drink?
Yep.
Attaboy.
What is this? Rum and Coke, I think?
Attaboy.
Modelo. It's Modelo time.
Attaboy. P1 in class unofficially. We'll see. Whew. It's hot.
Let's film this shit.
Woo!
Flamethrower, beautiful. I like it.
That's a wrap on King of the Castle. Some carnage. I am just glad that is not us. There are 3 wheels on that thing, and that could have easily been us or anyone else out here. But yeah, got the job done. Got the dub, but everyone else in the class DNF. So, yeah, bad luck. We just drove slow, let a lot of people pass us, but other than that, it was a good race. And yeah, huge thanks to everyone. Really fun time. Tucker killed it in the right seat. It was a rough one for sure. Pit stop was fast. After Ryan rolled, he rejoined the race, and I thought he was going to come up and pass us again, so we were pushing hard. But anyway, so huge shout out Pyrotech people, Tucker, Tanner, Lucas. Man, rough luck for Ryan. He was flying, but he flipped. Good dude. Josh too, in the blue speed car that started in front of us. We were battling him at the last race. Like, man, nothing but good people out here. Joe's awesome. Whew. I'm hot. I'm tired. It was a crazy cool weekend, and yeah, huge thanks to everyone. Couldn't do it without a lot of people. So, till next one, thanks for watching. Peace.